Hello, my name's Pamela Bryce and I'm very lucky to be the in-house florist at Hever Castle. I'm here on a weekly basis and I put flowers around the castle for the public to enjoy. We feel at the castle that it makes it more homely to have the flowers in place, and when I make the flowers I always try and make them so that they match the fabric of the building. So this particular arrangement, which I'm just finishing now, I made it the same colour to match the lovely curtains. Basically it's just a case of building your arrangement. I've made quite a start on it already by putting the foliage in first, and then I build the flowers up from there. All the leaves are stripped off so that you have nothing that's under the water, because that can make the water go really very smelly and horrible. And cut all the stems on an angle. It allows more water to be taken up by the stem. And all the vases I use are purely in water. I don't use any oasis because it's just such an awful thing for the environment. So all the vases around the castle are just in water. It's continuing Alstroemeria. They're English Alstroemeria, so they haven't done any air miles bar from a garden somewhere in England. Another carnation just to finish this side off, and then hopefully it will be balanced, and then when all the flowers come out they should look lovely with a bit of luck. It's very important to get your shape first. You can either do it with big structural flowers and then put your foliage around, or build your flowers in first. If you've only got a small vase and you only have a few flowers, of course when you put them in the vase they all flop over to one side. So if you use sellotape and you make a grid of sellotape across the top of the vase, when you put your flowers in they'll stay where you put them, so you can make a few flowers go a long way, and that's really a very good tip. Keep the water very clean. You can put a tiny drop of bleach in, but maybe just a tiny drop, and always make sure your vases are really clean before you start. So if you've had flowers in a vase, really wash them out well, put some bleach in that when you wash them out, rinse them out, and then lovely fresh water, and then they should hopefully last a length of time.